All right, good morning. Turnkey Trading here. Pre-market, Tuesday, October 17th. Let's take a look at some of the stocks that either look strong or look weak that we might be able to take positions in today for, either intraday, but primarily we're looking for swing trades. Okay. So the first one that I'm looking at is Tesla. Tesla, of course, has earnings tomorrow. It does look weak. I would normally recommend a short, except for one problem. If you take a look at this horizontal support right here, okay, we are coming up to it. And technical trading would say do not short heading into this. And I guess fundamental trading would say, do not take a position before earnings. So I probably would not take a position in Tesla right now. If you do, you could probably play the long side for this reason. Okay, or technical support and earnings coming up tomorrow. That's really all I have on Tesla. Now, today the markets are weak. We had a retail report come in that was strong, looks good, um, but we're still good news is bad news. So the markets sell off because they anticipate that a strong economy means that it can sustain more rate hikes or higher for longer. So the markets take it as bad news. But anyhow, if you're looking for a short today, look at mRNA, Moderna. Look at this weakness here. Clearly, we've got just about every sell indicator that you can think of playing out here. Congruency here in the orange. Congruency here with these red on the TSI and RSI blend right there, and all the way down. Okay, the only thing we don't have, and I don't know why, but we don't have the Fib ratio showing up here. That's surprises me. We don't see that here, but we've got plenty to take a short position on Moderna today. And with the markets being down, probably a can't lose situation. But nothing's guaranteed, of course. All right, now we'll look at Walmart. Strong retail report today. Probably can expect some movement in Walmart. It's been bullish. You can see we've got the Fib ratio indicator here. We got the chandelier exit marker here. Congruency here, here. Nice slope as well. Solid turns upward. We got green here. Nice tight and with a tight slope here, and then we've got these three here. So definitely looks bullish today for a position in Walmart if you want to get long in that. And again, the retail report was very good, so might be able to hang on to Walmart for a little bit. Let's take a look at XLP. XLP consumer staples. Now, I don't have enough solid indication to go ahead and go long, but I do think this is turning. It's bottoming here. We are getting some some bottoming indication here on just about all of my indicators here. So for you guys who like to play stuff early, or if you like to scale in, maybe with a half a position, you might be able to do a on the XLP. Now the XLP also, I also have got some stocks here. If you don't like to play the index, these are a list of stocks: Procter and Gamble, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Costco, Walmart, and Target, and so forth. So you can take a look at some of these, pick a couple of those to go research. They might also be going long. So my point here is that the sector, consumer staples, might be setting up for a long. All right, now let's take a look at Nvidia. Um, Nvidia has got some downward pressure today. There's some news on semiconductors right now. I know we're hitting these, we're definitely running into these moving averages. We don't have congruency here yet. We're starting to get it here, flat here, down here, flat, flat, flat here. So, but the 2 hour is what I'm looking at. 2 hour is suggesting a stronger move to the downside. Okay, so it's early on the daily. but I'm showing you because the 2 hour is might be suggesting some downward direction today. So Nvidia and I believe ON is also in a similar boat, showing some downward direction today. Let's take a look at the 2 hour a little closer. Yeah, well, possibly. But certainly on the daily, we've got downward pressure on the ticker ON. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Um, Yesterday had a really big spike and then it pulled back, but still a big spike. And we still seem to have some upward momentum heading into today. Um, we got this marker here, showing strong buy. Of course, the candles are solid blue. We've got congruency here. And on these indicators, the TSI, this looks like it might be flat, topping out here. So that's something. So although the pressure might be up, it might be a slow day for Bitcoin today. And then we've got certainly upward, at least upward or sideways movement here. So, the point here is that I don't see any indication that suddenly anything is just going to fall flat on you. I mean, maybe at worst it goes sideways or it just is a slow bleed up. So maybe I should say a slow creep up. So Bitcoin might be okay for a long, maybe for a smaller position, but I'm watching the 2 hour. The 2 hour is suggesting flat. So, yeah, maybe steer clear of Bitcoin today. There might be better things to get into. But I think that's all for now. I'm going to go ahead and upload this onto YouTube. This is a new channel. I have a different approach on how I'm looking at some of these stocks and some of these sectors. I'm using my algorithm that I've created to try to estimate, try to predict which stocks might be good for a long or a short today that we can swing trade for a few days. Okay. Uh, Look at my introduction, watch my intro video, read my About Me on my YouTube page, and you'll get an understanding of the angle that I'm coming from. Okay. I try to do about 10 minutes a day. That's all I need to cover, a handful of stocks. Okay, that's all for today, and we'll talk to you again later.